Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Welcome. I received the Lancome Teint Idole Ultra Wear Foundation from BzzAgent. Today I thought I would try this out, do a little wear test and review for you guys because I've never tried a Lancome foundation before. If you want to hear all about this Lancome foundation and see how it wears, then keep watching. This is the Teint Idole Ultra Wear Foundation from Lancome. It is a full coverage foundation with a natural matte finish and retails for $57. So here is the shade range. There are 55 different shades that you can choose from. It says hyaluronic acid and vitamin E, which is known for skin smoothing benefits, and moringa and prebiotics, which will help protect the skin barrier. This is a up to 24-hour wear foundation. I'm telling you right now, I'm not going to be wearing this up for 24 hours because that's crazy. It has a natural matte finish and a buildable full coverage. This is also transfer and humidity resistant, so this will be a great summer foundation. It's October now, so it's not super humid where I live. It's also lightweight, undetectable coverage. It has advanced air wear technology, skin loving ingredients, rich deep shades without a gray cast, and they also have truly olive shades that are not too yellow or orange, which is also really good to know. I am a little olive and I have the hardest time finding good foundation. I got the shade 305 neutral, which I guess they reformulated this because it used to be 220. It also has sunscreen in it with a broad spectrum of SPF 25. Like I said, I did get this from BzzAgent, and on BzzAgent they only have like a select shade range, so I felt that this would be the closest one. I did swatch it on the back of my hand when I did get this in the mail the other day, and it did look pretty good, not gonna lie. I was kind of proud of myself. Let's try this out. So I did all of my skincare, but I'm going to go in with a primer, and this is the Ciate Dewy Skin Primer. I really like this, and I know this foundation is a natural matte, but we're just going to use a primer anyway that's dewy. I'm not the biggest fan of matte foundations because my skin is dry, and it's getting really dry because it's got really cold fast here in New Jersey. I'm a little nervous to try this. I feel like it'll be a really good summer foundation for me, so I might have to save it. But I also have tried matte foundations in the past, and I like to mix a dewy primer with a matte foundation. I just feel like it looks really good. So I'm just going to give this a really good shake, and I'm just going to do one pump on the back of my hand. It's a Saturday, so I'm not going to do super full coverage, but I am curious to see. I don't even know what this is. Oh, it's a breakout. So I am curious to see how this covers up the redness on my chin and my cheeks, and I do have a little bit of a breakout right here, which is new. I didn't see that. And then on my chin's a hot mess. So this is what the shade looks like on the back of my hand, and I think it's pretty good. I think I'm just going to go in with like a half a pump just to do my nose a little more. I've really been liking to blend out my foundation with the It Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Complexion Perfection Brush. This is their number 7, and I just like to dab. I think the shade looks really good. It is pretty neutral. It covered up the redness pretty well. I'm going to put some on my eyes. I normally don't do this to cover up, like I have dark circles. I like to take what's left over on the back of my hand on the brush and just kind of like go over any places that I feel need it. So like this annoying little red spot right there. I'm gonna go with my sponge just to get any excess off and any of like the brush streaks. This It Cosmetics brush doesn't really get streaky, but I just like to do it anyway. Now let's put my glasses on for the true reveal here. So I think the shade match is pretty good. It is matte, but it's not too matte. I just did one pump, and I feel like it covered up the redness pretty good. I feel like you could just still see the little bit of redness peeking through here with the one pimple I have, and my chin's a little red, but it's not terrible. I'm just gonna finish up my face and carry on with my day. I'm gonna come back later before I take my makeup off, and I'm gonna tell you how the foundation wore throughout the day and give you my final thoughts. After this, I'm gonna go wash my face and take a shower, so I thought I'd give you my update of the foundation. I feel like looking in my little mirror here, I think it looks really, really pretty. There is just like a soft little glow to the skin, and I feel like that's from the primer that I used. I like that primer with this foundation. I think it's a really pretty combo. I do have a little bit of dryness on my nose, but I don't really notice any foundation clinging to it. This didn't really set into the lines that are like underneath my eyes or anything. I don't notice it settling into really any little fine lines or anything, especially under my chin. I have this like little line here and nothing's settling in there, so it looks really nice. I think this wore very nicely. I would definitely pick this up. If you've been wanting to try this foundation, I would definitely say pick it up. It is a little pricey at $57, but the Sephora VIB sale is coming up, so with that little percentage off, this will be worth it. And that is it for my wear test and review of the Lancome Teint Idole Ultra Wear Foundation. Shout out to BzzAgent for sending this to me to try out. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye!